Hey guys, it's Dylan Atcherson over here at Blake Fulenwider Dodge. What I'm going to show you guys how to do today is actually change your battery or jumpstart your new Dodge Charger. Guys, as you approach these new Chargers, you'll take a look and you'll notice that there is no battery whatsoever. You can look around, you're never going to find it. What you are going to see is your fuse box right here, and you will see two terminals. Of course, you've got your positive, which is the red, and this little thing right here is actually your ground. That is for if you ever need to jump off your vehicle and your battery dies, you can actually access it from the front and restart and re-jump your battery. Come over here if you're ever needing to change your battery. What you'll do is you'll come over here to the back, you'll grab onto this, lift this compartment. Actually has a nice handy dandy hook so that you can work in peace without fighting that thing the whole time. And as you guys can see right there, there is your battery. It's got all your access points, whatever you need to do to change it. Guys, I hope this was informative. As always, we are at your service over here at Blake Fulenwider Dodge here in Eastland, Texas, 9610 Interstate Highway 20. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day.